First of all, select the line command and draw a line of 62 mm at 0 degrees. Then draw a line of 30 mm at 90 degrees. Then the sketch made on the display will be ready. Then select the fillet command and make a fillet of 20 mm. Then give the finish sketch. Then go to 3D sketch and select the intersection curve command and follow the method shown on the display. Follow all the methods. So our sketch will be ready. Then give the finish sketch. Then go to the XZ plane and edit the sketch and set the drawing as shown correctly. Then select the circle command and draw a circle of 15 mm. Then give the finish sketch. Then select the sweep command and follow the steps shown on the display to create this part. Then go to Sketch 2 and right-click and select the visibility option. Then go to Sketch 3 and right-click and select the visibility option. Then set the part properly, as shown in the display. Set accordingly. Then select the mirror command and click the YZ plane. And mirror the part. That is, our half part will be created and then select the fillet command. And fillet the part is shown on the display. Fillet it accordingly. Then select the shell command and shell the circle as shown in the display. Then, using the line command, I drew lines of different dimensions. After drawing these lines, I gave them dimensions using the dimension command. Then, I revolved the sketch I drew using the revolve command, then go to 2D sketch and select circle command. Then draw 26 mm of circle as shown on display, which is visible to you on display. Then select line command and draw line at the end of circle. Similarly draw that line on the bottom side. Then give tangent to it with tangent command. Then finish sketch, then select the extrude command. Then extrude the sketch we drew. It is visible on the display. Then go to the 2D sketch and select the circle command again and make a circle of 10 mm on the side of the extruded part. Then again take the circle command and make another circle of 4.5 mm. Similarly, select the other side circle command and make a circle of 10 mm on the side of the extruded part. By giving the finish sketch, we extrude the sketch drawn on the side with the help of the extrude command. After that, the part we drew is ready, which you see on the display. Thanks.